We're now going to place a legend on the plan, which is a color filled legend. So it's going to color code all of the rooms. So to access that, we'll go to the Annotate tab. Second last panel is a color fill legend. First two legends are for the M&E side, so we will skip over those. Last one there is the color fill legend, so we'll select that. There you can see attached to my cursor is the actual legend itself, so I'm going to place it down below here. And then we're asked for a bit of information. What do we want the legend to display? So the first one is the space type. So the type that we want to display are the actual rooms themselves. And then the color scheme. What do we want it to be by? Do we want it to be by the department, by the room name, or the room number? So we want to go by room name. Press OK. It's calculating. So now it's pulled all the information that we've displayed in the tags. It's displayed it in the legend, and it's now color coded each of the rooms. Again, we can select the legend to shift it down into place so it's a bit tidier. So there we can see the offices have the same color, storeroom is different, meeting room, toilets and canteen. If you're not happy with the colors, we can of course change that. So we'll go to our legend, we'll select our legend. In the contextual tab, we'll click on the edit scheme. First column here, this is where we can go back and change the scheme if we want. So if we're not happy with by room, we can change the category to space and the HVAC zones if we wanted. And then by department, room name or room number. So same as we had done before. Next, we can display whether or not we want it to be visible on the legend. Then we can change the color. We can also attach a fill pattern to that if we wanted to. So right now it's solid. We can make that a hatch, cross hatch, and so on. And there's a preview of the colors that we've chosen. Up the top here, we're able to change the title. So I'm going to change my title to Room Legend and press OK. You can do the same for the first floor. Again, color fill legend. Click to place, change it to rooms by room name, press OK. Again, this is represented on the PDF 026 color fill.